Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Denley and I'm going to be showing you what's inside a flash disk. Alright, let's get started. So first, I'll need this. Just pick this. Pick up the right shape I'll need. So these are magnetic, so even when you hold them down, they don't get off. Check it out. Alright. Now to get on to what you watch this video for. What's inside the screwdriver? So this is a Sandisk Cruzer blade. Yes, Cruzer blade 8GB. Let's open them up. So what's really inside? It's not a lot really. You've got these plastics for casing it because flash disks are really small. They're really just as small as this. So the reason they do this is so that they're easier to find and easier to keep. They even add a keychain. So thank you for watching this video of what's inside a flash disk. Goodbye.